Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi Q3 S line 35 TDI quattro. It comes finished in the stunning and sleek myth black, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the car's done 32,810 miles. Standing on 19-inch alloy wheels with the 5 twin-spoke dynamic design, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery with the centre armrest with 2 handy cup holders for those longer journeys and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash the MMI multimedia display and climate control. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery with the iconic S embossed logo and front centre armrest. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift pedal for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide view of the satellite navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's USB port. Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode such as dynamic for a more sporty drive. Parking aid for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. And driver assist to give you all those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from a wide selection of your favourite DAB radio stations to sing along to. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you have the dual zone electric climate controls so both driver and passenger can set their preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside. Stay connected on the go with the 2 USB charging points. Finished off with the all-important 6 manual gearbox with an electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile. If this is the car for you, call our friendly team today on 01782 488 205. Thank you.